Guy, you know hear about that new AI with the trend? The thing they generate clean videos and it is totally free.
Free? Omo, leave play. Which kind free be that? Show me make I see.
Babe, I can't stop smiling. Every moment with you feels like a little adventure. Just us laughing, having fun, and making memories.
I love you so much.
Babe, have you heard about that new AI everybody is whispering about? The one that lets you generate videos for free?
Free? As in completely free? I beg, don't play with me. Are you serious?
My people, even me when they sell tomatoes for market. Now this same AI generate me. I don't pay 1 kobo. I fit talk for 10 seconds without stopping. All thanks to Judy.
I'm here to show you something amazing. This new AI can help you present any product smoothly and professionally. And guess what? It didn't cost me anything.
Hi guys, I found a new AI platform that can generate realistic videos for free. This with no watermark, amazing quality, and you can make as many as you want. You've got to see this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a long form video without spending a dime. Like seriously, without spending a dime. So without wasting much of your time, let's head over to your Chrome. Then you type aigenmass.com. Hit enter. So it brings you to this interface. One good thing about this platform is it gives you free unlimited video, no registration required. It gives you high video quality. So this is how the interface looks like. It's user friendly. So without wasting much of your time, when you log in, you will see this place, generate video now. So here we are. This platform has a feature of VO 3.1. So if maybe you don't have money to get the pro version of VO 3, this platform is here for you. It is very free. It said create your VO 3.1 video. We have text to video and we have image to video. Here is where we drop our prompt, and here we have the aspect ratio. We have the landscape, portrait, and square. So for this video we are going for landscape, so we click on it. Already I've prepared my ChatGPT has helped me to prepare my prompt. So all you need is to go to your ChatGPT and tell your ChatGPT what you want, and ChatGPT will help you create scenes of whatever you want. So already he has given me this. All I need to do is just to copy it. All I need to do is just to copy the prompts, both the camera movement and everything, and head over to AI Gen to generate my video. All you need to do, paste your prompts. All I need to do is to head over to this place. You will see generate VO 3.1 video. I told you guys that this platform is like VO 3 and it doesn't really take much time. So you just click generate and hold on for our video to generate. Just hold on. In a second, your video will be ready. So guys, our video is ready. We have it here. Let's play and see.
Guy, you know hear about that new AI with the trend? The thing they generate clean videos and it is totally free.
Free? Omo, leave play. Which kind free be that? Show me make I see. Omo, leave play. Which kind free be that? Show me make I see.
Honestly, this is good. This video is good. We can't deny it. So you go ahead to download. When you look at this place, you see a download button. We don't download from here. If you download from here, it will be difficult for you to download. So all you need to do is just to come to this 3 dots button here. You click on it. You will see download. You just click on the download and you have your video. So let's try the second one. So guys, we head over to ChatGPT and copy our prompts. Copy and head over to AI Gen Mass and drop our prompt. Then we scroll down a little bit. You will see where they wrote create VO 3.1 video. You click on it. It's queued for processing, so you just hold on, give it some seconds, and you have your video. At least the waiting is worth it actually, looking at the quality of the video we generated, so we can wait. So we have our video ready, guys. Let's play and see what we have here.
Babe, I can't stop smiling. Every moment with you feels like a little adventure. Just us laughing, having fun, and making memories. Babe, I can't stop.
Well, I don't think this is bad actually, provided it is free. So, but I just want to do a little adjustments, maybe for the guy to talk. If you notice, the guy did not talk, so I want him to talk. Let's see what we have. So I want to adjust my prompt. So looking at it closely, it said the male avatar, relaxing, sitting close. Look at it here. Let me highlight so I can be able to see it. So looking at it here, I will just adjust my prompt. You understand? From the prompts, the guy was not meant to talk, but I want him to talk. So I'll just say, and he says, I love you so much. So we go down and click on generate. We hit on the generate, then I'll wait for it to generate. Let's see whether it will adjust to our correction. So guys, our video is ready. Let's see what we have here. From what I'm seeing, I think the couples were changed, but let's see if actually it picks the correction that I gave him. Just that the couples were changed. Let's play and see.
Babe, I can't stop smiling. Every moment with you feels like a little adventure. Just us laughing, having fun, and making memories.
I love you so much.
I don't think this is bad actually, guys. Although the couples were changed, but I think I prefer this to the other one. This is very good. You can even use this for video scenes. You understand? Generate a video, a long form video. This is really good, honestly. So let's try the last one. So we head over to our ChatGPT to get our prompt. Before we head over to ChatGPT, let's download. Like I told you before, you come to these three dots, click on the dots, go to download. Don't use this other download that is here. It will complicate issue for you. You might not find it funny. Just go over to this download and hit download, and your video downloads straight away. So we go over to ChatGPT to get our third prompt. We copy the prompt, copy, then head over to our video generating platform and paste our prompts. You scroll down a bit, so you just hit on the generate. It's user friendly. It is user friendly. When you go to your Chrome and you log in, you don't need to sign in with your email or anything. It just takes you to their platform and you start generating your videos. So guys, if you're watching us up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment if you want more of this tutorial. So guys, I think our video is ready. So let's play and see what we have.
Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Keep moving forward, trust yourself, and embrace the journey. It's yours to create.
Let's try image to video. So let's try, then you click on the arrow button there. I'll just pick one of my pictures. So let's pick this other picture. Just upload them. So now I want the female avatar, just pasted what I want the avatar to say and did adjustment to the former prompt that we used. So I just go down a bit, generate. Our video is generating. Okay guys, I think our video is ready. They changed the female avatar that I gave them, and they gave me their own. Well, I think since it's a new platform, they are still working on some things, but I think their text to video is top notch. Their image to video, maybe they are still working on it anyway. Let's see.
Sometimes you just need to step away, breathe, and remember who you are. Life gets noisy, but your dreams, they're still calling.
I think for now you just use the text to video. So that is it for now, guys. I believe you've learned how to use AI Gen to generate realistic AI video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or follow us on our Facebook page. Thank you so much. See you in our next tutorial.